In the vast expanse of our world, a silent war wages on. The adversary, climate change. The weapon of choice, science. And in the heart of this battle stands a man whose work is revolutionizing our understanding of the climate and weather systems, Dr. James Stalker. In the early 2000s, Dr. Stalker identified a key deficiency in weather and climate science, and in all fluid analysis and prediction endeavors for that matter. Specifically in climate science, the inability to accurately quantify climate change. Just as a doctor cannot treat a patient without a precise diagnosis, we cannot address climate change without ascertaining the change accurately and being able to quantify the impact of our measures. Dr. Stalker, armed with his expertise in math, physics, computational fluid dynamics, atmospheric science, and computer science, spent over 2 decades of his career developing a solution to this problem. His answer came in the form of the RESPR weather-climate simulation technology. Imagine a sandbox, but instead of sand and toys, it's filled with complex algorithms and high-performance computing capabilities. That's the RESPR simulator. Based on the Stalker method for computational fluid dynamics and numerical weather prediction modeling, this simulator goes beyond simply interpolating state variables. It delves deep to resolve all relevant underlying physical processes. Funding this project, which requires high-resolution modeling and larger than usual investments, might seem daunting to its customers and stakeholders. But when they understand the potential for global GDP growth, the RESPR project becomes indispensable. With an estimated annual GDP growth of at least 1%, the global investments for the RESPR project will be a tiny fraction, just 0.23%. The RESPR project is ready to be deployed now. It can start producing critical benefits within months upon initiation and reach full completion in 5 years. And the cost? Proportional to each country's landmass, with global investments coming to around $40 billion over land, and an additional estimated $160 billion to cover oceanic areas. People talk about climate catastrophe all the time, and mostly waste time tinkering on the edges. The world needs to seize the opportunity that Dr. Stalker's work presents. His life's work, the fruits of his labor over the past 2 decades in technology development, and another prior decade in education and research, are ripe for the picking. Getting the RESPR project done for your country and the entire world, which will support dozens of planned Stalker research institutes across the world, is not just about funding a project. It's investing in our future. It's a testament to our collective commitment to understanding climate change before adapting to it and taking mitigating measures. In the grand scheme of things, the cost of inaction far outweighs the cost of action. It's time to move beyond the status quo, embrace cutting-edge technology, and unite in our efforts to actually safeguard our world than lip service. The RESPR project is a beacon of hope, a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. It's a reminder that when we come together for a common cause, we can overcome any challenge, no matter how big or small, even climate change. So, let's remember the 5 key takeaways from this story. 1. The status quo is detrimental. 2. Cutting-edge technology is available now. 3. The world needs to take advantage of Dr. Stalker's work. 4. The investments for the global RESPR project are worth the benefits. And 5. The Stalker Research Institutes will expedite all related research efforts globally for years to come. This is not just a story about Dr. Stalker or the RESPR project. It's a story about us, about our world, and about our future. More importantly, it's a story about getting things done. And it's a story that compels every one of us to act.